Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apparently I'm Ariel today and Ursula has tried to steal my voice. She didn't completely steal it, but my voice is gone. It's horrible. Wait, what? I have been sick for the last 4 to 5 days and it has been so much fun. I have so much rasp in my voice. It's like crazy. But I finally had energy to do a video, and I'm sorry I kept you guys waiting, but I am so grateful to you guys and I love you guys so much. We hit 250 subscribers. We are at 254 subscribers. Yes. So excited for that. So excited for giveaway time to come around and see who won. I'm so excited for that. And we hit that 250 mark. So right after this one, we will be working on getting another giveaway going. So we've already started buying stuff, but we want to buy some more stuff. So we're still working on the giveaway items of what exactly we want in there. But today I wanted to play with the Bye Bye Birdie palette. Again, this beautiful palette that we are showcasing for the first winner giveaway. So yes, love this. So I can't wait to play with this again and try another look. But before we get into this, if you guys are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thank you for joining and watching my videos and giving all the support. I love you guys more than you guys even know. And at the end of this video, or even in the middle of this video, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. It lets me know how I'm doing and bring you guys out some more content. So I greatly appreciate it, and I love it when you guys show your love and comment. So let's get in to this palette. So I'm Ariel today, so I'm going to go in with Ariel. This beautiful Super Shock shade right there. And I'm just going to highlight that brow bone. I just like to highlight that brow bone. And that inner corner as well. I love that color. It's so pretty. Sorry, don't mind my voice cracking. I'm not going through puberty. I'm just sick. Then I'm going to go into a nesting. And I'm going to go in with my fluffy blending brush. Tap off the excess, and I'm just going to blend that so ever so nicely into the crease, into the creep. So guys, I almost freaked out because my favorite lashes that are still going good, I thought I lost, because after I clean them, I wrap them in paper towel. See my pretty lily lashes? I thought they were gone forever. If you understand losing lashes, you get it, especially your favorite pair. These are $35 a pair. So, but thank goodness I found them, because I put them in the drawer, because I don't know what I had the other paper towel out for, but I lost my mind. I literally stopped the video, went around, and was looking for my lashes, thinking I dropped them. I was like, am I going to have to use different lashes? I don't want to cut new lashes. I just don't want to do it. So you wanted to build that to the intensity that you want it to be. And blending is key, guys. If you guys don't blend, it just doesn't look right. It's going to look patchy. It's going to look overdone. It's just going to look, It's a no. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Boo Bird, because I'm sad like a Boo Bird. Why are you dumb? So we're going to put Boo Bird in the crease. And we're just going to keep blending it in the crease and building it to the intensity that you want it. That is so pretty. Isn't it so pretty? And then I'm going to go into Huron Chic, which is this pretty, what would you call this? This magenta type purple. And we're going to blend that holy pigment. Okay, guys, you see that? Luckily, I tapped off the excess And if you have way too much on, you just keep blending and move your brush back and forth. And you can also do circular motions. You just blend until it looks beautiful and seamless and not too much. I'm going to deepen that crease. And then guys, what looks really beautiful is when you take a fluffy brush that hasn't touched anything else and you go into a shade like, we're going to go into Boo Bird. And you take your fluffy brush and you just blend out the edges. That just brought some extra dimension to it. And then I'm going to take my flat brush that I've been using. I have been lately using the Luxie 213 Eye Shaping brush, but it's been like a good packer brush. I like it. And then I pop it on my finger, you know? So I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into Finch first. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. So then I'm going to pop my finger on Finch, which is that beautiful purple. We're just going to be popping it, popping it, popping it. Yes. Now I'm going to go into, I'm just going to pop it on my finger. I'm going to go into Nevermore, Nevermore, Nevermore. Ooh! Yes! I like that. That is so pretty. My eyes are so green. Then I'm going to take Boo Bird, and put that on my lower lash line. And then on top, I'm going to put Here on Chic over the top of that. And that you just get in and put that on your lower lash line and like smoke it out. And then I'm going to take some Ariel, because I'm feeling like Ariel. Even though like they're talking about a bird, but you know, it's okay. And then I'm going to take Gander, which is this Super Shock shade right here. And I'm just going to pop it on the top of the lid. Just give it a little extra something, something. That is so pretty. I love that, you guys. So again, you could do it at the intensity that you want it. I'm going to do my other eye off camera and do my liner and lashes. And I will be right back. Swear to goodness, I hate corn bugs. You come at me, I swear. I'm gonna have to vacuum you up. So guys, as I was rudely interrupted by, corn bugs, because when you live out in the country, that's what happens. This is the final look. I'm really digging it. I love it. I like literally match the palette. To the palette. I literally match it. I absolutely love it. I love this palette. It is so cute. It is definitely like a pink and purple, and you can get like a natural look with this as well. But if you want to match the palette, that's what you need to do. So I love that. I love the Bye Bye Birdie palette, showcasing the palette that we are giving away. So excited. I'm so glad I have my own, and you guys will get your own soon. So excited for that. And also the rest of the palettes that are going to be in the giveaway. So I put on this lippy, which honestly, I'm really excited for. This is the nude lipstick by Mellow. It's the matte lipstick. I love it. It's so pretty. And it honestly, I don't know yet, but what I've seen from the Frozen collection, it honestly looks close to Elsa's lipstick, which I'm so excited for. I got the whole entire collection, so that will be coming. I'm not sure how long, but as soon as I get it, I will be doing a review and a video of it, and I am so excited because, as you guys know, I love Disney. I love Disney. I need some, I'm going to have some Frozen stuff now when I get my palettes and stuff, but I need like some Frozen shirts and some Frozen pops because I have like so many princesses and I don't have Elsa and Anna. What is wrong with me? Do you guys see why I almost cried losing these lashes? I love them. Lily lashes are the best. And they've lasted so long. I've washed them and taken care of them like a newborn baby, like I've taken care of them and they still look good. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys are excited for the Frozen 2 launch by Colourpop. So freaking excited. So excited. I jumped on that and it was almost all sold out and I had to buy the whole set. So, but I'm excited. What do you guys think about Disney Plus? Are you guys loving it? Like, my kids are loving it, and me and my husband are loving it. Like, we're watching all stuff that we've seen since we were kids. Like, don't make fun, but like Lizzie McGuire and Smart House and Luck of the Irish and Out of the Box. My kids love that. My 4-year-olds are obsessed. And I love that. They're obsessed with a good show that teaches great values. So that makes me happy. So I seriously love Disney Plus. What do you guys think? Plus, I love Star Wars. Okay? Yeah, I do. I love Star Wars. Yep. Nerd alert right here. Right here. This girl. I love Star Wars. So my husband says I really, really need to get into The Mandalorian. So I need to start watching that. But every single movie is on there. So that makes me so happy. And every Marvel movie, I am such a nerd. Like I'm so excited. I love it. What do you guys think? I'm definitely going to start watching The Mandalorian because I'm obsessed with Star Wars and my husband said it's really, really good. I just have been so sick. I have been like in my bed. Luckily, the days that I was so bad, my husband was home and was able to take care of me because he's such a good husband. He's so good. He was able to take care of me and let me sleep it off and, take NyQuil, and he took care of the kids. He's so amazing. We have 6 kids, okay? All right, so let me know in the comments, you guys, what you guys think, and if you guys are excited for the Frozen 2 launch by Colourpop, because I am. And if you're excited for Disney Plus, and tell me like what I have to watch. Like, I seriously love everything. Like, remember Bed Knobs and Broomsticks? Yes, I'm that old. I love that crap. Like, I love it. So I'm like so excited for everything. And Little Mermaid, hello. Okay. Yes. And I just, so excited. So let me know what you guys think like I should watch. Like, just compile everything that I just said and just comment down below what you guys think about the Frozen 2 launch, the Disney Plus, and what you guys think that I should watch on Disney Plus, or like what I should watch with my kids. And I love you guys so much. You remember the drill. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up if you guys liked this video. I really greatly appreciate it. It makes my day. It helps me know that I'm doing well. And it means the world to me. All your guys' love and support. I love you guys so much. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know when my next video is up and giveaway. Because another one will be coming right after this one. This giveaway ends on November 18th. I'm so excited to find out who the winner could be. I'm so excited for that. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have an amazing, magical day. I love you guys. Bye.